Hey citizens, welcome back to Life with Sid. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by. And if you're already a citizen, thanks for returning. I am doing an unboxing video for you guys again today. Today I am doing the Prada 2005 Re-Edition. Now I know y'all seen on my birthday vlog, which I will link it up here. I unboxed a pink Prada Re-Edition, 2005 Re-Edition crossbody bag to go with the Balenciagas that were too big. They sent the wrong size. I couldn't get them, so I had to get something else. So I had to change the pink bag because I wasn't really feeling it. I think my whole everything was all messed up because I wanted those Balenciagas and they didn't have my size. So I had to exchange it, and then when I went to exchange it, I wound up getting the Dior's. So long story short, I exchanged the pink bag and I got another bag, a different color, and this color is so cute, so cute. So I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. This color is, I think, coca, that's what they call it. I call it chocolate brown. But so I took it to the Prada store in New York. Mind you, I got the pink bag I got in Virginia. And so I exchanged it in the New York boutique, the Prada store. But yes, look, it comes in a cute little dust bag. Look how little it is. And a lot of people compare this to like the Pochette, the Louis Vuitton Pochette. It's kind of similar because it got the little, you know, the little pouch up here. But to me, they're two different vibes. And let's get this bad boy open. It's a little, look how cute this is. Look how cute this is. This color is everything. Super cute. I love this color. And I love the silver hardware. Even though y'all know I've been changing everything over to gold. But this is what I liked about this. At first I was like, is this the color so close to my Pochette? But I was like, well, the Pochette is the gold hardware and this is silver. So this is why I went with this. And this color I haven't really seen anywhere. I haven't seen it too much on social media. So that's another reason why I was like, you know what? I'm going to take this color because I was going to get the black. But I see the black everywhere. So I was like, you know what? Let me get this chocolate color. This is so cute. And let me see. Open it up. It's got all the tissue paper in it. Got another little. Now I exchanged this weeks ago and I never opened it. Like the little Prada tissue paper. And then it comes with another little dust bag. I guess that's probably for, oh, it's a little flying things from the dust bag. For the small little pouch. And then of course it comes with the little authentication cards. Say Prada on it. Super cute. And it comes with like a little, I think this is like the Dior, where it comes with like the little card with all your information on when you purchased it. Yeah, because it's like, they say August something, 15th I think, when you purchased it, and the color and like the code for it. This is really cute. So I will always keep this in this bag so I don't lose it. You always want to keep these cards because if you ever think about selling your bag, this is your proof that it's, you know, it's real. And then I like the inside. The inside you probably can't see. It says like Prada all in the inside. It's really cute. And I've been on the hunt. This is why I haven't unboxed this, because I've been on the hunt for the bucket hats. The bucket hats are so cute. I'm gonna link a picture here of this bucket hat. But I only seen it like on a overseas site, so I'm not sure I'm gonna get it. And this pocket is so cute. You know, a little coin purse. Probably fit my AirPods in here. And then inside it has like a little leather branding thing, say Prada on it. Super cute. See that? Oh, it's really cute. I like this. This is a cute little bag. And I wanted something that I can wear, like my Louis stuff. I really don't like to wear it in the rain because I don't like the what is it called, the patina, when it the patina. So in the wintertime I don't like, I don't know if I'm saying that right, please don't come for me in the comments, when it changes colors or if you get little spots on it. I don't like that at all. But I'm gonna do some mod shots for y'all, and y'all tell me what y'all think about my new Prada 2005 Re-Edition bag. Okay guys, done with the mod shots. So tell me what y'all think. Do y'all think I should do a comparison video of the Prada bag and the multi pochette? I think that would be a great comparison video. What y'all think? Just leave a comment below. And if you're new here, don't forget, hit that subscribe button, that bell notification, so you can become a part of the family. Become official citizen. Help me get to my 1,000 subscribers. I'm almost there. I'm almost there. So I'll wait for y'all to hit that subscribe button. Thank you. Until next time, Syd signing off. Peace.